Good morning. Well, it's not the morning, it's the afternoon. But I just found a cool plane. I'm super tired. It's just a different plane. I think I can find it here if I just search up Boeing. There's that one, and there's that one. We're looking for this one, which is right here. It's official Boeing Dreamlifter. And yeah, I may or may not be under the sheets. But there's that one. And then there's oh, whoa. There's a Boeing 777X. Don't ask why I said it like that, but there's a 777X. I'm super tired, but I just wanted to show you those two because I thought they're kind of cool. It doesn't have the exact model, which is Okay, actually, I think that is the exact model. But yeah, I think that's kind of cool.